This is Israel, the world's first country that has developed an amazing technology that requires no charging stations. Yes, you heard that right. And if you don't believe me, then watch this.
We're walking on right now.
We're walking on the nation's first public electric road. We installed coils, rubber-coated copper coils that are embedded 4 inches under the ground. Then we have a secondary coil underneath the vehicle. You can get a charge from that coil while you drive or stand still. And as you drive past it, that coil will go passive and the next one will go active.
This is a normal electric vehicle with decent charging range, but it kept running for 100 hours or 1,207 miles. Thanks to their wireless charging technology. Imagine if countries like the USA, India, or European countries start using that technology, what will happen then? We will also explore how it works and let you know which American city will soon use this technology. Meet Oren Ezer, the co-founder and CEO of this Israeli company, Electreon.
We wanted a solution that could connect vehicles to the grid 24/7, and we saw the road as a solution. Charging is a matter of time. 1.4 billion vehicles on the planet. There is no way to provide a charger per vehicle, and it's not sustainable. We need a shared charging platform, and wireless is the key.
He envisioned a world where the road itself becomes the charger. In fact, you might be surprised to know the city that we were talking about is none other than Detroit. Detroit has already constructed a wireless road using this Israeli startup technology last year in November 2023 by unveiling a quarter-mile stretch of road.
Detroit is celebrating a first in the country. The city has the first public inductive charging road that can actually charge electric vehicles while driving. So why am I not being electrocuted right now?
Well, that's because this system is not active, Mike. We're just walking because we're not the vehicle. The system is only activated once you have a verified receiver underneath the vehicle.
He says Electreon complies with international safety standards and has already built such roads in other countries.
You don't need to have a huge battery. This will bring your costs significantly down, and it makes it easier for the grid. At the end of the day, if we want to reach a high level of EV adoption, charging is the main barrier. Now, let's discuss how it works. Well, this is a sort of dynamic charging that works similarly to the wireless pads that charge your smartphone. It embeds copper coils that are connected directly to the power grid into the pavement. Vehicles are equipped with receiver plates installed under the car or truck, which is easy and cheap. When a vehicle with a receiver nears the charging segments, the coils beneath the road transfers electricity through a magnetic field, charging the vehicle's battery. The coils only activate when a vehicle with a receiver passes over them. But don't worry, there is zero harm for people. The roadway is safe for pedestrians, motorists, and animals. It's all operated remotely through Electreon software and servers.
This application, though, is new, and I think it could be a game changer for EV adoption.
Now, get ready to be shocked. A recent study says that 77% of people surveyed said a lack of charging stations on the road or charging at home would discourage them from going electric. Even the first-time EV buyers are struggling with charging infrastructure, and the majority of them say that they won't buy EV next time. Another factor is that roughly 30% of chargers aren't working at any given moment. They're not reliable. That's a big factor. The problem is that if you look at a lot of the charging companies, they don't have a robust maintenance program in place. But this quarter-mile segment of 14th Street and Detroit will be used to test and perfect the technology ahead of making it available to the public.
We want to make sure that we're a welcoming environment for these new technologies. And the exciting part today is it's here. It's actually here. It's actually working. We can see vehicle running back and forth on the street right now, and it's real. And now's the time that we can start building out the use cases for this technology.
Not only America, the company also has contracts for similar roadways in Israel, Sweden, Italy, and Germany. By the way, do you know that this could reduce CO2 emissions from road freight transport by 86% compared to diesel and 60% more compared to heavy-duty trucks? That's a big number. Coming to India, Nitin Gadkari, the road transport and highway minister, has plans to electrify 870 miles long Delhi-Mumbai Expressway by adding electrical cables as part of Electric Highway Initiative and to reduce logistic costs by 50%. Wow, isn't that amazing? So, there you have it, my friend. Imagine your car becoming way more budget-friendly, no more range anxiety, no more charging by yourself, and waving goodbye to all those charging worries. How cool is that? If you liked our video, then hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and join the fun. Your support always motivates us as we've got more wild tech adventures lined up. So stay tuned and we'll catch you in our fresh episode of uncovering another secret amazing technology.